Good day, everyone. Today, we'll be talking about digital marketing, one of the most powerful tools businesses use to reach and engage customers in today's modern world. So, we have four objectives, which is define the digital marketing. Next, identify the different types of digital marketing and identify which type of digital marketing is best and evaluate the digital marketing KPIs. Introduction. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is a broad that refers to all marketing efforts that occur on the internet. The creation and dissemination of content to digital media channels, websites, landing pages, social media, email, and mobile application. So, we all aware that digital is online. So, digital marketing is called online marketing because it uses the internet to promote product or services. All activities like advertising on social media, sending emails, or creating websites happen online, allowing businesses to reach people through their phones, computers, or other digital devices. So, for example, digdi sa social media, we all have Facebook. Sa Facebook, minsan baga nag-a-appear dyan ng mga itong ads. Next, we have here the types of digital marketing. First, social media marketing, content marketing, influencer marketing, CEO marketing, PPC or pay-per-click. Next is awareness media marketing, email marketing, and last, affiliate marketing. Let's begin with the social media marketing. Social media marketing uses platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube to promote a brand, connect with people, and increase sales. It helps businesses reach more customers, share useful content, and create engaging posts or ads using data to attract the right audience. Example baga sa sa Facebook or Instagram, pero may baga dyan may nag-a-appear ng mga ads na igwang mga brand, iba't ibang brand, or sa artista na tigo-promoting da ang brand na tudoy para iyan maka-attract aning customer para nagustuhan mo ito, di syempre mabakal ka. So that is the purpose of social media marketing, to promote brand and connect with people to increase sales. Next is the content marketing. Content marketing, it means creating useful and interesting content to attract and engage customers. It improves SEO and helps get more quality leads. For example, sa Coca-Cola company, Share a Coke campaign. Use personalized bottle to connect with people and boost sales worldwide. Digdidoy, ang iba pang kang content marketing is ito sa mga vlogger. Minsan, ang tig-content ninda sa mga products para ito din maka-attract ng customer. Next is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing uses famous social media personalities to promote products. Businesses gain more visibility and influencers earn money by sharing or endorsing this product to their large followers. Digdidoy, sa influencer marketing, nagagamit sinda ng mga tao like RK Fiang or Andrea Bellances na mag-promote kang products sinda. So, which is, the influencer makakagain ng money by endorsing the products. Next, we have here the CEO marketing. SEO marketing helps a website appear higher on search engine like Google. It improves website content and structure so more people can find it easily, leading to more visitors and loyal customers. Next is the PPC or pay-per-click. It's a paid online advertising method where businesses pay each time someone clicks their ad. It helps boost visibility and reach the right audience quickly. Digiri sa pay-per-click. Example digiri gayud itong sa mga games, 'di ba pag may ads duman, minsan tigbabayaran ito doy pag tig-click mo ngayon ining ads na ni doy, magkaka-earn ka ning aro ganing amount. So that is the pay-per-click.
The main purpose of brand awareness is to familiarize potential customers with your brand. The goal is to ensure people know who you are and what you offer. So your brand is top of mind when they're ready to make a purchase and not to make immediate sales. It states that email marketing uses promotional emails to generate sales or leads. Success, however, requires crafting engaging content that encourage clicks and conversions. When done effectively, it's highly impactful. 87% of brands and the Content Marketing Institute survey ranked it as their top digital marketing method. It states that digital marketing works for every business and all industries, but there is no one-size-fits-all approach. It explains the difference between digital marketing and digital media. Digital marketing is a set of activities or tactics, while the digital media refers to a set of forms, format, and platforms that include emails, SMS, and MMS, social media, audio. Digital marketing refers to a set of activities and tactics that use a variety of digital media channels, while the internet marketing is a subset of digital marketing. It requires the internet to connect to leads.
Digital marketing KPIs. Returning visitors to website. First visit. Web traffic sources. Total unique visit. Click-through rate or CTR. Next is average time on page. Lastly is marketing ROI or return on visit.
The summary talks about of how digital marketing has become a vital component in the hospitality and tourism industry. It leverages online channels to exchange and convince travelers. Key strategies include social media marketing, SEO, and influencer marketing to build relationships, improve visibility, and boost booking. Hospitality and tourism brands must adapt and innovate their digital strategies to stay competitive.